this is the Random Rant.
I'm
It's
Megan.
about,
I'm Megan, and this is kind of hot.
it's about like 4:17 in the morning, and we are bored out of our minds.
Just a little bit.
So yeah, this is the Random Rant. So we're just gonna talk about like random things. This is
And we're watching V. It's fun. Oh, this is Cuddles. Funny thing about him. Where do you live, Cuddles?
I live in him.
kind of creepy.
And guess who rules it with him?
Hello.
Elmo's like the freaking demon.
If you don't comment this video, that's where you're going.
Yay! Now let me smoke this blunt. Ooh, smoke. It's real. Not.
Look at it.
It's the monkey. What the hell's going on here? Okay, there's a spider, and we're both afraid to kill its babies that it laid eggs. And there's like 8 egg sacs or whatever they're called. Sacs. And they're gonna like lay a lot of babies. Scared. I don't like spiders. Ah!
Come on over. Baba is coming.
You want to remember what? Yeah. You want to watch what we can do with balls.
Blue balls.
Cuddles, do you want to?
I'm a karate play pool.
I just need your help. Shit, you ran away. She wants to play ball. Don't cut a him thing. Me.
Just because she told me not to do it, I'm going to do it. It's the Brandon.
And he sucks.
He's awesome.
So, what are you guys doing? Are you up? Are you not? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at how big SpongeBob's nose got. Is he like Pinocchio? What the hell? That's not working for me.
Keep going.
Shut the door.
By the way, guys, we're in the basement.
Ricky. There's air metal gloss.
Maybe you should need a gloss.
Or maybe you shouldn't have haired. Oh, and the code, by the way, BCW, your lip gloss is so not glossy anymore.
That line is so not cool.
Sorry. But, can you see me?
What if I do another O at you?
I do the O at your nose.
I know.
Ow!
No! Oh!
Oh, snap! Drinking whiskey out the bottle. Woo! Oh, some now.
Ow!
Go! Guys, Cole wants to say bye.
Bye, people. Okay.
Fuck you.
You're gonna go to hell.
Cole, make that no!
Goodbye!